So what do you do when your wig is too shiny? Personally, when I get a new wig, I love the shine because it really, realistically, once you start wearing it, it just takes a few, maybe a couple weeks for that shine to diminish, and then it really does look very natural. But I do understand if you don't like the shine. So I'm going to show you just with, this is just dry shampoo. And then I run my fingers through it. And then just lift the layer. Try to stay away from a few inches away. And always remember that you don't want to overspray because some of the dry shampoos do tend to build a little bit and they have like a little bit of a filmy, white looking film. But as you can see, look at this side and look at this side. You can always take your wide tooth comb and just comb through it like that. But this is what I would do just to diminish, get rid of a little bit of the shine.